In this video, I will show you how to turn on comments on Pinterest. So to get started, the very first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open Pinterest on your device. Make sure you're signed in into your account. Now let's start by creating a post. So click on this plus button at the bottom middle of your screen, and then from here select pin to upload a photo from your local drive. Now select the photo and then click on the next button at the top right corner of your screen to proceed with the next step. So in here, go ahead and select advanced settings. So you'll find that at the bottom of this page. Click on that and that will redirect you to this section. So in here, go ahead and make sure that you enable allow comments to be able to turn on comments for this specific Pinterest pin on your profile. And that's basically how you can turn on comments on Pinterest.